What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the show. It is your sis. Y'all know who I am. But y'all, today is a beautiful, hot, I'm being nosy. Beautiful, hot Friday. I'm about to go get my cousin Trixie, and I'm gonna go get Tim. And we're about to go to Naperville real quick to get some food. But the gag is, it's so hot and sunny. But the gag is, y'all, we supposed to do the What's in the Box challenge today. Me, Serenity, Trixie, my sister, and Tim. Well, Tim gonna record, but we agreed to no pets, no, you know. But y'all know I don't listen. So, but my problem is, how am I gonna go to the pet store with her in the car, with Tim in the car? I want to go get them frozen mice, but it's okay, because if I don't get them this time, I'm gonna get them next time. But y'all, I'm finna go get them. I'll get back to y'all when I get them, I guess. Okay, guys, I'm back. Oh, they're fine. I like them a lot.
Look at my name in his phone, Trixie.
I did. Y'all, I got Trixie. Hey. I got Trixie. I got Trixie. Say hey again. I'm dead. Stop. Trixie, you want to tell them?
Yo, I'm back.
About your horror story today at school or no?
Y'all, let me tell y'all. Being me, a tomboy I am.
Check out
So I wore this shirt. It's loose. You can't see too much. Wore some big old, well, they ain't big, but I wore some Nike shorts, boy Nike shorts. And I had some Jordans on, looking like a little tomboy. I'm walking in gym, minding my business, watching YouTube, watching Damar. You know I love watching him. And this girl gonna ask me, am I gay? And I had to tell her no. I had to break it down to her like, no, I'm not. But she gay. I'm like, oh, well, so we can be friends. But she's still gonna try to hit on me in gym. Dang.
What up, y'all?
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang. Don't do that. you fucking up, dog. You fucking up. How dare you? Here you go.
Oh, my bad. Thanks.
Well, y'all, we about to go.
Can we go to Taco Bell real quick here?
You should have said that the first time.
I mean, at
Nah,
first.
but we meant taco.
Wow.
Girl.
What taking up so long?
Mm-hmm.
My hair done, YouTube.
Me too.
I need my hair cut.
Him 3.
Yeah. I'll be back.
Anyway, y'all, we about to go get some Dave's hot chicken. And then we're supposed to play the What's in the Box challenge, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. So we probably just gonna hang out with Granny.
You
But
still there?
I'm just gonna buy what's in front of the car.
Huh?
At Arby's. We should do that.
Probably not that. I mean, I was coming your way unless you
We
want me
should
to.
do that so I can record you.
I don't want Arby's.
We should do that, yeah.
Yeah, we pull up your way.
Either that or what was
What
that?
about Monday?
Monday. I was
All right,
hanging
bet.
out with Marcus.
Who's that?
Marcus.
Oh.
Me and Serenity planned to hang out with him
That's good.
When?
Monday. He probably forgot.
Fuck the peoples. Fuck all them.
Listen, y'all. This motherfucker just fucking sneezed. He didn't cover his fucking mouth.
Fucking lost
He
our
didn't
mind.
cover his fucking mouth.
You need to quit
The
making your eyes that
motherfucker.
goddamn big. If you know how that shit look, you wouldn't do that. Okay? So YouTube.
I don't care.
I sneezed.
I don't
accidentally sneezed
care.
and it went on her neck. She over here making a big fucking deal. I had my fucking COVID shot. My COVID test, bitch negative, ain't nothing to worry about. Just that shit happens.
I don't give a fuck about a COVID shot. I don't give a fuck about a COVID test.
Yeah.
You sneezed on the back of my fucking neck, and I told this man, he sneezed on the back of my neck. This man tells me I'm fucking lying. If it wouldn't have been for her in the car, we would have argued about snot. This man telling me I'm fucking lying. Like, that's the sick. I've been shitted on by a bird. I ain't never been sneezed on.
You a damn lie.
And I said,
You
Nigga.
need to stop fucking lying. You done been sneezed on before. You want me to remind your ass?
Not like that.
What you mean not like that?
Not
It was
with
worse
some
than that.
liquid in your nose.
Man, you done had clients.
Your bodily use a fucking client lie.
Clients spit on you.
He's a fucking lie.
She's lying.
His bodily fucking fluids was on my neck. I'm ready to go home and get in the shower with antibacterial. Again.
Go wash your
I
ass.
told him to spray Lysol, spray his fucking car. He's a sick ass, bald head motherfucker.
I ain't bald right now. I got knuckle buckets.
And the fact that he told me I was lying, he gonna sneeze on my fucking neck and tell me I'm lying.
You be
What
alright.
type of shit is that? And
Hey, quit stuttering. You need to.
because I'm mad. I'm real mad. Yeah, we're going to get some food.
Fat people shit. What we do?
I hope he don't sneeze again while my fucking food in the car, because this time I'm gonna be ready to fucking fight.
You know what? You need to put the motherfucking air circulating this motherfucker. Take it off, whatever. Got it on.
No.
Yeah,
You need to spray some
That's probably why the fuck
Lysol
I sneezed in
again.
the first place. Probably Trixie over there fucking with shit. I can see it ain't no fucking circulating through the car. Blowing out that hot ass air. No wonder why motherfucker this bitch sneezing. I'm looking at the goddamn thing. Ain't got no circulation in this motherfucker.
Ooh, shit.
Stuffy and shit.
It do feel weird though.
Yeah,
like-
because I'm looking at it. Trixie turned the shit off. Her cold ass. Get your ass in the back.
Hold on, your mama calling.
Oh, shit.
Alright, y'all, so this is what we had. Dave's hot chicken.
Yeah, big. Oh, yeah, you see.
We're gonna park
Yeah, big. Damn.
and eat our food.
Don't
Get my camera together.
cry. I'm gonna give y'all a
Tim,
little.
can you get my stuff out the trunk, please? That's not nice. I got you a new one though.
You did. I got you.
And that one look better than the other one.
Yeah, it do, because you fucked it up. There y'all see?
Ooh, wait! Yeah, they did his Ooh, look at that!
She blessed me too. That's why she smiled. When
Let's
she
see yours, Trixie. Can you get mine out the trunk?
walked.
My black, it's a black tray.
What you need to get on the
It's a black tray.
I want y'all to eat the, you the only one that got extra hot, huh?
No,
Yeah, Tim got hot. It's hot.
extra hot. No,
It said hot. It's hot.
Oh, she changed. I had got extra hot on one of them and the hot.
Get the
on
tray, please. The trunk is open.
Rest me, motherfucker.
Alright, y'all. Let's see what her food looks like. They online. Oh, your food looks good.
You don't look like his.
Ain't y'all got the same thing? He moved his hand right here, please. Jaws.
Tell me you got this shit hooked up. Last time I seen you struggling with this motherfucker.
Alright, guys. So again, this is it. It's in Naperville, okay? Naperville, check it out. Check it out. It's been trending. As you can see, it's packed outside. It's packed inside. I had 2 tenders. I have one extra hot and then one just hot. I love pickles, so I'm super excited about that. Comes with a little sauce, cheese fries, and yeah. Okay. So this ain't gonna work. I have to edit all this out.
See, I ain't high. My motherfucking craving ain't kicked in.
Step outside there and get high.
Crackhead shit.
Let me our uncle.
Shit. Fuck, I look like. That is a clean ass
I feel like I got spit sneeze on my fucking hand from him, so
Don't fucking do that shit. You just trying to, you know
I'm
what?
trying to play you.
Right, on God.
Is you in my business?
Nah.
Tyler, here I try y'all food.
Damn, you just spit. I seen that shit fly all the
You better be lucky my shit closed. But I had to kill your motherfucking ass.
That fry batter went there.
Thank God, man. I'm finna turn my food this way. I can't be fucking with y'all. Oh, hell no. I'm peeking out. I don't like that cheese fries.
You tripping.
I like it. I don't like... No, because I like mine saucy. It's good, but I don't like the cheese.
Why not?
It's not nasty. So right now we're only tasting the fries. We
Right.
don't taste the chicken yet.
I'm waiting on that chicken.
I'm waiting for everybody to eat it.
I'm waiting to see what
Like the fries are good, and they got like a little season on it.
Tell me what that chicken like.
Can you taste that sauce?
Chicken
Oh,
sauce.
I don't know what's going on sauce. Oh, it's chicken sauce.
I'm gonna do
Online it says it tastes like raisin cane. Oh, you not eating? No, they know.
I'm scared.
Boy, this man talking about because I'm scared. No, be
You
fries.
put your
supposed to
fries
go
in there,
there.
bro? You want to put the chicken in there?
No, you're supposed to eat together.
Tastes like mayo.
Try
I'm
with
sure
your
that's
chicken.
what it is. Mayo, ketchup, barbecue sauce.
Tell me if that strip hot.
I want her to
Yours-
eat that
yours-
extra hot. Which
that's
one
what I'm
extra
saying.
hot?
If
Gotta
yours
be
hot,
the darker one.
Yeah, I'm
Shit.
finna check it out.
my shit look hot. Like they motherfucker around gave me your shit. My shit look real dark. Fucked up. Give me some hot shit.
I forgot to say no bread.
No bread. You want your bread? Give me your bread.
Oh, I just stabbed it up now.
What you need stabbed?
Cut it into pieces. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to try this extra hot. No sauce first.
You know what?
I'm gonna bite my burger.
That's what I'm gonna do.
With
Thumbnail.
pickles on it.
Damn, do a thumbnail.
Hmm?
Thumbnail, come on.
No, they give you extra pickles too. Y'all see that?
Take a picture, Tim. Take a picture. Put your food in your hand.
Put your food like this. Perfect.
So this here just had me motherfucking choking.
I'm gonna try the
This
chicken.
mommy, ooh.
Try the chicken real quick.
Come on. Oh, what the? I'm glad I didn't do Reaper.
Yeah, that's hot.
You know, I dip it in the sauce.
Hell no, I can eat that shit. Hell no.
What sauce is it?
That's hot. Damn.
What is that? I
I
got
put that shit on my lip. Ooh. I'm gonna get up with this shit later.
it's burning my tongue. I should have said mild like I was going with. Y'all try to play me. Don't get mild. That stuff gonna be nasty. I agree to me.
Whoa.
I guess it is called Dave's Hot Chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Come on. I took one bite, bro.
Fucking with
They
that.
got a dry, a hot seasoning, which is worse than a fucking.
Oh man, shit.
And I like hot stuff. Let me get dig into these fries.
Ooh.
This shit burning my stomach.
It's just chicken though. That don't look like regular
That
hot.
looks like, well, I got extra hot.
Yo, what y'all? Why I come out here fucking with these people?
Okay? For real.
Damn. I should stay with mine.
Sam, you only got hot?
Man.
No, you didn't.
I got hot.
You won't tell me not to get mild.
I know, right?
It was the first bite for us.
My
Yeah.
lip though, that's all.
This place
Get a
is
pickle
jumping.
with it. They put pickles on your sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
This shit gotta be good though, but this bitch busting.
Let me try this sauce. That's why you crazy. My mouth hot this morning. I can't even enjoy my food, bro.
Oh. I'm gonna say, yo. Alright, you sliding and eating soup and shit.
My mouth so high, I'm sliding.
Your cheese look good.
Yeah, your shit look like your shit.
I see you fucking up them fries, but not that damn chicken.
Oh, you a lie.
You fucking up that chicken, how you know me, man?
Mm-hmm.
That shit hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 hot.
It's hot.
Last piece you just
That sauce
She
not that
choking, y'all.
You not even eating.
I'm not. I'm gonna be smart.
How you gonna eat some old cold ass food?
Oh, cold.
This is a car mukbang.
Mm-hmm. That's why you choking. Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah, shit. I'm choking like a mug.
I'm gonna get to it. Let me stop playing though.
Yeah, please do. Alright.
See what this sauce hit for though.
Yeah, my price was like $15.89 for my 2 tenders, cheese fries. They got
14.
1 tender, 1 slider, 14 some change.
Well, the sauce ain't that bad though.
Mm-hmm.
No, the sauce is cool.
I like hot stuff.
That nigga.
I like hot stuff, but the top of my mouth is burning.
You can't put that shit on lip down.
But you know me,
different type of hot.
I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna go out with a bang. Hope my rest in peace of my booty tonight. I can feel it. My nose
I
starting
ain't
to
got
run.
school tomorrow.
Ooh. Dave's Hot Chicken. Fuck you.
Good shit. You hot, for real.
Respectfully. Yeah, he acting like his sister back there. Man.
I ain't gonna talk about nobody today. Damn.
I need ice cubes. Man. If y'all complaining about hot, I got extra hot.
Man, you fucked up. You didn't throw that car.
What a cry.
You didn't throw that car. Like 2 cars in a row, you didn't throw up. Third one get hit. I ain't gonna eat this shit right now. Fuck that.
Come on, man. Don't chicken out.
Man, chicken out, motherfucker. It's hot.
I just ate my hottest one. I feel like I'm at Buffalo Wild Wings with blazing hot.
Okay.
I like hot, but baby.
We eat the strip.
Then she said they ain't got no ranch.
I'm gonna eat the strip, man.
I'm gonna finish my fries though. Holla at the chicken later. This chicken though for me. I should have.
Why come on here and fuck with you?
I just hear him back. I don't think this is just hot. How is it, Tim?
Hot. Good as shit though, but it's hot.
How is it? Trixie? Same. Good.
Hot. Motherfucker can't even eat pee.
Man.
Nose over here barking and shit.
My nose on the roof.
Hell no. I got this last 10. I'm looking at this motherfucker like, fuck this shit. I would have been fucked up my whole platter by now.
At least I know to get mild next time.
Nah.
I was like, if I get mild, it probably ain't gonna be hot. Damn. I'm sorry, y'all. Just like, Dave's hot chicken. Let me run it with it down. Face itching. Oh. Mama, yeah, mama, it ain't how you want some.
You got money. You want some?
Yeah,
You don't want some.
y'all
You
can
try.
Hey!
I got her.
Hey, yes! Yeah! Smile.
Yes, indeed.
Ooh, you know she gon' Yeah, let me get a piece.
Thank you. You asking for shit.
I should order her own shit. I should order her own shit. I gotta tell my baby happy birthday when I get done eating. My nose is running, y'all. Excuse me. I don't even want no more.
I bet you don't. I don't eat. You never me.
But it's just the fries. It's like I kind of gotta eat some more. Our cheese look good. It's all cheesy and runny and shit. I'm gonna ask for extra cheese next time. Cheese and cheese. Don't put nothing else on my shit. Oh, good. Let me dip it. I'm not so high. Don't eat those fries. I'm just fries. Don't eat your cornbread. You giving me. I ain't gonna say no names. I might watch your YouTube. Oh. Tell me. Just whisper. Just.
No.
Your cousin, girl. hasn't hit him with them. Okay. Oh, that shit was so funny. I'm definitely gonna watch it. And
I'm telling y'all now, y'all come to Dave's Hot Chicken.
get mild, baby.
Get mild. Don't get shit past that. Your ass gonna be grass.
I'm full.
I'm hot.
I say all the chips. Thirsty. Well, at least when I get hungry, I have some more.
Man, that shit gonna be hot and firecracker.
Oh yeah, Tim, you got a good idea. Alright, y'all, so we finna try to hurry up and get some out from my house. I need to stop at Walmart though, so I gotta get something.
So in the lines of
I'll eat some candy. I'm done.
that,
I don't think Shay coming.
she's not.
She talked all that
Talk
junk.
all that cap shit.
And they created this shit.
And did.
Yeah, we're talking shit.
Yeah, cause she be full of shit. What?
My shit just kind of, y'all didn't feel that?
What?
It's like my car vibrated.
I had kind of jump. So
That I knew I wasn't fucking crazy.
my big ass might have threw it a little bit.
That's alright. I ain't finna fuck with Shay. I heard she did the car behind like we was sticking to anyway.
JJ, we ain't fucking with you, man. You too much of a
That's
motherfucking
that
send off,
Barbie
man. You talking all that shit. Yeah, as soon as it come time, that's them again.
This place is hot in Los Angeles. So I was like, this is one of the places I wanted to try. You said that. That's that video I got on TikTok. I'm mad we ain't go to LA though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't. Fuck that plane. That shit was scaring me. I'm gonna take another bite. Suck it.
I gotta say,
The whole way home. You said you gonna take it for mama too?
I'm gonna give her ass another. I know she gonna want some.
Oh, you know she is.
Yeah, nigga know she see that message. No, damn with that phone.
This tastes like somebody else's chicken too. Let's give it another company. I mean, the moment you bite the shit, hot. I got extra hot. So they complain about hot. I get it. Cause my motherfucking stomach is burning.
Oh, what's up?
I need another bottle of water. Everybody been eating this shit, like on my Snapchat.
I'm gonna leave this fat ass piece half right here. Fuck it up. I ain't giving her that. Post all this.
I'm so glad we ordered online. Ooh, jelly.
You see, Daisha pregnant.
Oh yeah, we did talk about that.
YouTube.
I'm dead. So let me find out you be on the tea room and stuff. Let me find out you be on the tea room.
This is what Marquise look like.
You look tall.
Very now. I like tall.
I feel like it's gonna give me a heart attack.
Bye for real.
I need a cup of ice.
My mouth ain't behind no more. Period. I want a challenge.
You ain't won shit because I'm still eating. I'm full. That's your problem.
I'm up high.
I'm full too.
I'm still hungry. Fuck you, man. That goat for your damn mouth.
I can't take her serious.
She over her eyes watering shit.
Wait, talking about she full.
Wait, look at her eyes.
No, she's struggling.
Them motherfuckers
Them
wet,
lashes,
eh?
right, them lashes are fall.
Hey, them bitches wet. She's there to hold her and take us off. No,
You can't eat no fucking
You want
candy.
candy right now. You definitely gonna be done for.
I eat these tenders later though. I mean, just that one. At least I
Oh,
ate
look
the
at that.
sandwich.
That's tasting like a time.
Baby, look. I need some ice cream.
Oh, wait.
So a lot of Teslas in this motherfucker.
That's a nice, real nice portion.
Shay texture, what she said? I'm gonna get lit one weekend. When y'all come get me, I know I'm a little young, but dang, I can do something.
look like pound.
I wanna. I wanna get lit, get a hotel, drink.
Listen. But you ain't gonna get out no more.
Me? That's gonna last you for a while. You gonna be like, girl, I ain't
It's
eating.
extra hot.
Right.
That nigga ain't gonna
You
finish
ain't gonna get
that.
that hot no more.
I like pickles.
I bet the cool off the Woosah.
It's so cute. Oh baby. Why did I just do that?
Damn, 2 pickles? You got my hot motherfucker.
You might just finish the chicken now, Papa. It's little. Like, let me get extra hot. I was gonna get.
Shut the fuck up.
What is it?
Extra
Ripper. Right. I should have got Ripper. Look at her. She would have been. would have been really burning.
You want your pickle?
You even eat your
Too much.
You even finish your
Like
stuff.
You need to quit eating that shit.
Ooh, baby.
Shay Shay said, can you get her some items?
Who?
She told
You.
me y'all siblings.
I ain't going.
She said Tata. She could.
I ain't going because Shay said you just sit in the sauce.
She clearly commented on the Tata message.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
Oh, yes, she did.
I ain't going to get shit because she ain't going.
Pull up over there, get high, do what we do.
I'm on a minute. Cooler. Fuck if that motherfucker fall or not. That's yours?
No, pop the top off the shit.
Oh, this is some birthday.
That's some extra shit in there. That's the sauce.
I know you fucking lying.
It was.
Put that in the glove box on me, please. Because me and Tim and Jesse and Shay having the mukbang Sunday in the car.
That's normal. She gonna fit right along with the guy. Right, 2 guys and one
Motherfucking guy.
Super right.
2 guys and 2 girls.
Alright, y'all. Come on, start Trixie.
All right, y'all. See y'all later. When we what we doing? After we get TT.
Don't
hold
forget
on.
to like, comment, subscribe.
Yes.
Push that
and
post
don't forget to
notification
tag
bell.
Damari.
If you don't know, what
I
it
don't
is,
get paid for no
Sustember.
motherfucking Damari.
Get the
I'm
fuck
finna
up.
close it
off.
No, because you talking about somebody else who get millions of dollars and shit.
they say follow Sustember.
Like, comment, subscribe. Push that
Notification.
push that post notification button.
See you guys
And don't
later.
forget, if you are new to the fucking channel,
Please follow Sustember. Oh
Yeah.
shit. Damn, my mouth got a little hot on y'all.
the
but
Sustember
Slide.
Show. And stay tuned because
we got more coming.
he about to make his
I got
channel.
one on the way.
So y'all gotta make sure y'all
Stay
subscribe. She's too motherfucking
gang.
shy. She's lying.
So with that being
I'ma
said,
dance
we'll
for
get back
y'all.
into it with y'all.
Y'all.